Hello everyone. I'm happy to finally announce the premiere date for this year's script-to-screen movie, Escape Night. Our original premiere date was set to be at Great Valley High School on Monday, June 8th at 7 o'clock. And while we can't keep that venue, we are going to keep that date. Since we can't share an auditorium, we're going to enjoy the premiere together virtually. The premiere will be a YouTube live event, similar to our library live sessions. I won't be able to see you, but you will be able to see me. You will also have the option to participate in a chat before and after the movie. Included with this email and below in the description is a YouTube link. That link will take you to the live premiere page. You don't need a YouTube account or to sign in to watch the premiere. All you need to do is click that link and show up on June 8th at 7 o'clock. But if you want to use the chat feature, you will have to create or log into your YouTube account, which can be done with your existing Gmail account, if you have one. Spring Group and production assistants. You're included in this message because you are members of the Script to Screen family, and I hope that you'll join us for the premiere on June 8th. Speaking of families, you are welcome and encouraged to share this link with family and friends so they can watch as well. I'd especially love to have the entire 5th grade class watching because I think this movie is one that all of them will really enjoy. I'm going to invite them personally, but cast and crew, you know they're going to listen to you more than they listen to me. So I'm especially going to rely on your help to spread the word. At the end of the premiere, the video will automatically be posted on my YouTube channel, and it can be accessed using the same link. From then on, you can rewatch as many times as you want. Editing is about 80% done at this point, and I really like what I've seen so far, and I know you will too. I hope you can all make it on Monday, June 8th at 7 o'clock for the Script to Screen premiere of Escape Night.
Look at that new logo!